This is lesson 2 of 7 of the JSCause tutorial from JSCause.org by 8th Youster. Let's create a simple food recipe website. The recipes will consist of, well, the actual recipe plus a picture. It will be a very no-frills one, just using files and directories to store data. A default JSCause installation runs on port 3000. For the fun of it, let's change it to port 8080. This is done in the file JSCause.conf right here. Change this value from 3000 to 8080. Save the file. Now restart the server. And there you have it. The site runs from port 8080. Let's see if that's true. And there it is. Okay, let's give our website some structure. As we mentioned in lesson 1, all the files that will be served to web visitors are located within website. We'll create a recipes directory outside of website. We'll store all the recipe data in it. Recipes. We wouldn't want our visitors to access this content, at least not in the raw, so that's why we place it outside of website. Notice that in Visual Studio, it already appears here. So just to consolidate, anything, any pages, images, etc. readily available to be served by JSCause should go inside website. Anything else must be outside of it. We'll also create a recipe images directory to store all the recipe images. We can do that from here, but from now on we should probably start using VS Code. So let's do web folder, recipe images. And anyways, we'll place this directory inside website because we'll want visitors to view them through their web browsers, and JSCause can serve them automatically without us needing to do anything else. Okay, let's open the index.jscp file and replace it with something brand new. Let's delete what it had before. And just like an index.html file, we can throw some HTML in it. So let's just do that right now. The only difference is that we must tell JSCause that this is pure HTML, at least at the beginning. We do that by inserting the HTML tag at the very beginning. If we don't do that, JSCause will think that the file is code, and well, it will throw an error since pure HTML is not really JavaScript code. Let's reload JSCause and refresh the page. All right, if we click on the Create New Recipe link, it won't work. The browser tries to retrieve the new recipe JSCP resource, and it doesn't exist. Well, let's create it then. Remember, we must create it inside website so it becomes available. Let's create it right here. New recipe.jscp. And let's put some code in it. All right, so let's restart JSCode and try again. There you go. It works now. Let's add a form to create new recipes. Again, let's refresh JSCause and refresh the page. And there you go, our new form. We'll handle the form in the next lesson.